Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. If you're new here, I love everything decor. I love to share decorating ideas with you all and how we do our home. Our home is an eclectic style. I love all kinds of decor styles. I love farmhouse. I love cottage. I love French farmhouse. I mean, it's just a world of decor styles that I absolutely love. So if you remember, we went to the beach last week and I fell in love with something in one of the bedrooms and I wanted to kind of mimic it here. So I already have behind me, I have a picture and it looks a little cattywampus when I'm looking at it. I think it's the angle of the camera that I have y'all at. This is the bed that we did together that I stripped with oven cleaner. I love this bed. It's a king size bed in this bedroom. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I did my barn painting over top. So the bed is kind of fancy. The picture is kind of farmhousey, but I wanted to add something on either side. And you can see my blue tape. But let me show you what I'm looking at. So as much as I love these, I don't love them. See how dark the bed is? See how light that is? So what I did is I stained each of these. This was a little lighter, so I stained it with some Early American. That is my go-to stain color. I love it. So I used Early American on the outer edges, and you can see the difference. This was more of what it looked like before, and so the stain allowed it to pop off that wall much better. These mimic, and I'll show y'all a little clip of that, these mimic those on either side of the bed at that house we rented. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. They were actually 50% off, so I got two for the price of one. So they were around $49, I believe, or $40, $39.99. So I got both of them for $40. So what I was going to do, and this is my little trick on hanging pieces. Y'all may have seen this before, but you can see where there's two little hooks up here. There's two hooks here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my tape from either one. So I have my tape to either one. I have them directly on the tops of either side. I'm just going to kind of make an indentation. You can draw it out with a pen if you'd like. But there's one more thing I need to do. If you notice, this hanger is this far down from the top. So what I do is I take my painter's tape and I go and I make me a T. So this shows me, okay, Nicole, this is the top of your piece. This is where your hangers are, because I want my piece to be high enough on the wall. So what I'll do is I'll take my piece off. So now we're looking at the wall, and you see I have the piece of tape where I would like my artwork to go to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little T. I'm going to take where the top of my piece was. Pull it straight down, or try to. All right, that's where I want to hang my nails. So I'm going to hang my nails and hang my piece, and y'all will get to see how easy that was. take my piece, and it's exactly where I wanted it. Isn't that pretty? Now for good measure, we're going to do it again, but we're going to do it on the next one. This one will be hanging on this side. So let me explain. Even though you have two pieces that are exactly the same, always, always, always redo your taping again, because there may be someone in, manufacturing that hangs them just slightly lower than the other one. So always retape and redo again. One more time. I go from side to side at the top of each one. Then I take one piece and I go to the top of the piece. I make my T. I take my piece off, and I put it on the wall. So this is my T piece. Go to the top where my line was, straight down. Right there. And I always try to kind of like make sure that it's where I want it. Look at that. Exactly where I want it. Do my nails. Pull my tape off. Hang my picture. Perfect. So now I want to add some lamps here. I'm going to play with some that I already have, and I may eventually buy some. If y'all haven't noticed, I moved my marble top countertops from our bedroom that was on either side of our couch, and I'll show y'all in just a minute why I did that. But I moved them in here, and they are beautiful beside this bed. They do match this bed. They are still the wood. I am not going to strip these like I did the bed. These are antiques. The bed was a reproduction, so I don't really want to strip these. So I love all the different textures. I love all the different textures and all the different colors and variations of wood. So I am leaving it as this. But I wanted to share one more thing with you all before we put the lamps up. I wanted y'all to see the full effect. Look how gorgeous that is. I do love the two things on either side. I might add wreaths later. I really don't know. But right now I'm loving the color variation of the woods with the nightstands. But this is the next thing I want to show you. I have a very dear friend that I have decorated for her and her daughter. And I was telling her about a initial or embroidery that I fell in love with, and I showed her a picture, and she made these, and I ordered these. I'll link them down below. I ordered these pillows off of Amazon. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the double ruffle on either end, beautiful. And then on this end to cover, and please don't look at there is a little pocket to cover your pillow. These are not beautiful pillows that I have, but look how beautiful that initial is. I love them, Miss Gwen. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and put the other one on. That is beautiful. Love the seas. Love the blue. This is a little denim pumpkin that I picked up last year. It's got a little bit of raffia on it. It's got a little button on the bottom. It's just absolutely precious. Just an old pair of jeans that they've ripped apart and made a super sweet pumpkin out of. Even looks like a real pumpkin. Yeah, that. What in the world is that? Stem, good gracious. So I'm going to put that right here on the bed. Love it.
I was counting my blessings. I felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. I saw a ray of hope, and he led me out the dark. God's forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was with me all this time. No, he never left my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss and the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love.
All right, my sweet friends. I hope you got some inspiration for your own home today. Thank you for joining me. I will give you a quick little peek at my new nightstands in our bedroom. I wanted something that was bigger because our room, like I said the other day, is kind of large. So I found some that were wider but actually narrow. And I'll show you a quick pic of those, and that's probably the next thing that we're going to decorate together. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you would do so, I'm still new at this and I am trying to pick up my subscribers so I can have more fun with you guys. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. So y'all, I honestly was gonna give my parents these two nightstands, but they were too big. So I just moved them over on this side of our room where those marble tables were that I just put in the other bedroom. So I can't wait to decorate these new nightstands with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank y'all so much.